So, how are we supposed to treat our mothers? Well, in the Bible, we should treat our mothers with honor, respect, and reverence, as commanded in the Ten Commandments, Exodus 20, verses 12, and reiterated in the New Testament, Ephesians 6, verses 2 to 3, recognizing their teachers as valuable wisdom, Proverbs 1, 8 to 9, and demonstrating love and submission, even as Jesus did, Luke 2, verses 51. This means listening, valuing their guidance, not despising them in old age, and treating them with the same respect as older women. So we'll see honor. The core command is to honor your father and your mother, a principle linked to long life and well-being, showing its foundational importance. Listen and learn from them. Proverbs emphasize listening to a mother's instruction and not forsaking her teaching, viewing it as a beautiful adornment. We're also told to revere. Leviticus links honoring parents to holiness, stating, "Every one of you shall revere his mother and father." Obey and submit. Children are told to obey their parents, with Jesus himself being submissive to Mary. We see this in Luke 2, verses 51. Respect in their old age. Proverbs advises, do not despise your mother when she is old. Showing care extends across all life stages. Value her like jewelry. A mother's teaching is compared to a beautiful garland or chain, highlighting its preciousness. So pray for your mother. Avoid contempt. Follow Jesus' example. Treat older women with respect.